how I made an e-bike, and like me, how you can also make an e-bike. First of all, let's talk about the specifications of our e-bike. Here is a 250 watt brushed geared motor. This runs on 24 volts, and we have also added an extra freewheel here and it is connected with chain to the motor. And next component is the main controller, which controls all the parts of this cycle. So it is a 250 watt controller, and it is connected to the motor here. And here we have a 12 volt 9 amperes battery. Here we have connected two batteries in series, and this is the ignition switch to on and off the cycle, and this is an accelerator. These are electric brakes which cut off the connections to the motor, and this is an horn. Here this is an power indicator. So when I turn on this ignition switch, this shows the power indications of the battery, and this is also an headlight. So when I turn this light from ahead, this turns on, and this is the horn. Many of you have got questions about why I have kept wires like this. So I have kept wires like this to show you the basic connections of this cycle. So in this control there is an option to put the motor. Here we have yellow and blue wire. So you can identify which one yellow and blue wire is for motor, and blue one is positive and yellow one is negative. So let's talk about the second main connection, which is about battery, which powers the cycle. So here we have connected 12 volts 9 ampere two batteries in series, and we have connected it to the controller by black and red wire, which you can identify easily because it is the basic thing. And here you can see that on each port it is given that where to connect which switch. So this is an indicator port, so we can easily connect the indicator port here, and in every switch it is given for which it is about. So this is 2 port, so don't get confused, it is for throttle. So these are the basic connections. Now you can know for which thing each port is. Now I will show you the working of this e-bike. So when I turn on this ignition switch, the cycle turns on. When I accelerate, you can see that the tire turns on automatically. So when I pull the electric brakes, the tire will stop automatically. So these are electric brakes. When you keep the electric brakes pressing, then you accelerate, the motor will not work because we have connected the electric brakes. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and share with everyone.